Hi guys, Shlesh Jain here. It's an honor to present in front of you. Today I'm going to present on marketing human resource and operation department. What are human resources? Human resource is a set of people who make up the workforce of an organization, business sector, industry or economy. The human resource department of an organization performs human resource management, overseeing various aspects of employment such as compli- compliance with labor law and employment standards, administration of employee benefits, organizing of employees' files with the required documents for future reference, and some recruitment aspects of recruitment and employee offboarding. There are many functions of human resource department, such as ensuring compliance with labor laws, recruitment and training, record keeping and tax compliance, payroll and benefits, and many more. What are marketing human resource? Marketing human resource means HR. HR marketing can be defined as activities undertaken by an organization for attracting and retaining the best talents towards them. For example, marketing the job opportunities, marketing the training programs for the internal employees, etc. HR marketing applies marketing concepts to HR, thus make it easy for an organization to hire and retain resources. HR marketing aims to create a powerful and positive candidate experience. This is achieved through the combination of target group specific content and a recruiting marketing strategy. Those two these two components enable companies to build and maintain relationships with their candidates. Operation department. Operations management is the administration of business practices to create the highest level of efficiency possible within an organization. It is concerned with converting materials and labor into goods and service as efficiently as possible to maximize the profit of an organization. Operations management team attempt to balance cost with revenue to achieve the highest net operating profit possible. There are many functions and roles in operations management, planning and implementing manufacturing plants, managing projects, planning information systems, helping to design and develop products and services, managing logistics, managing transportation and distribution, forecasting for planning, planning for capacity, and many more. Thank you.